question 11. Which of the following particles contain equal number of electrons and neutrons? Okay, so let's calculate the neutrons and electrons for each substance, each atom. Okay, so first, A, beryllium. So 9 is the atomic mass. Okay, so it shows you that there are 4 protons here. So number of neutrons is actually 9 minus 4, it gives us 5 neutrons. Okay, and since the particle is an atom, there's no charge, it will have the same number of protons and electrons. Okay, so you will have 4 electrons. Okay, so 5 neutrons, 4 electrons. Let's look at B. So B, it will be 23 minus 11. That will give us 12 neutrons. And because it's a positively charged ion, so you will have the charge here actually tells you it has 1 more proton than electron. Okay, so number of electrons is actually 11 minus 1, it gives us 10 electrons. So here, okay, 12 neutrons, 10 electrons. Now, let's look at C, fluorine. So fluorine will have 19 minus 9 equals 10 neutrons, and it will have equal number of protons and electrons since it's not a charged particle. So you have 9 electrons. And finally, oxygen. Okay, let's calculate number of neutrons first. It will be 18 minus 8. This gives us 10 neutrons. And since oxygen is a negatively charged particle, how many negative charges is actually 2? 2 minus. That means it has 2 more electrons than protons. Okay, it has 8 protons. So 8 plus 2 gives us 10 electrons. Okay, so in this case, O2 minus have equal number of electrons and neutrons. Okay, so 10 neutrons and 10 electrons. So answer will be D.